Vincent Sear here from the Sear team at Keller Williams. Hey, thanks for tuning into our channel here. Watch the video, it's going to be great. And if you like it, give us a like at the bottom, give us a comment, and subscribe so you can see more content as it comes out. So enjoy the video and the content, and we'll see you on the other side. Thank you. Well, I hope you found that informative. Once again, give us a like at the bottom, send us a comment, subscribe so you can also see more of this type of content when it comes out. So have a great day, everyone. Vincent Sear from the Sear team at Keller Williams. Talk to you later.